Good day, my name is Fray Alfonso Peláez. Stay warm. Last holiday, visit Panaca. Together with my wife, I was a vacation, very pleasant. Also know as most domesticated animals, which are very beautiful. Stay tuned. What's the weather like? In Pereira, the weather is warm. In the afternoon, it's sunny and it's very hot. The recommendation: wear comfortable clothes, wear shoes, rain repellent, a hat and sunscreen. Stage 3. You should keep your passport. People usually walk the trails, feed the animals, play with fur animals, ride the horse, and have lunch in the restaurant. Stage 4. People should wear comfortable clothes, use repellent, buy tickets at the box office, buy food inside the place, buy food and the for animal inside Panac. People should not neglect their nervous belongings. Should not buy tickets for strangers, should not bring food for home. Thank you.